My name is Cesar Prian Alban Repo. I am 25 years old. I'm graduation from Hills School at height 18. My birthday is June 28, 2001. I have worn braids singlet as I was 22. I live with mom and stepfather. We live in the province of Cañar Absogues, Canton Rivera, Paris. My mom is 60 years old. She is homeward at uns above night good. She has 2 mil the good at 5:00 am. She might get you fresh cheesy. My mom likes watching some hops and loves cookie. She is 155 55 mid-size. My stepfather is 70 years old and is ready. He is 155 meters tall. He holds active. I have two sisters. The oldest is in the United States and their children. The boys and here. The middle sister is Macas and has no children. My daily routine is followed. I head up 4:00 am to check out the livestock. They prepared breakfast and lunch to take to work. My work schedule is from 6:00 am to 4:00 p.m. As far as I watch my thermos, take shower and the halt the class. I am sometimes for sport. In reality, like aquavolley, indoor soccer, and motorcycle. I love motorcycle that I take off for rides. I like music. I have two dogs.